एक और दिवाली और मैं फिर से घर से दूर। यही सोचता हूँ इस बार शायद घर जा पाऊँगा, पर फिर याद आता है सपने आसान नहीं होते, और अगर सच में बड़ा बनना है तो हर कंफर्ट, हर फेस्टिवल थोड़ी देर के लिए साइड पर रखना पड़ता है। ज़िंदगी ने सिखाया है, जो आज सेक्रीफाइस करता है कल वही सेलिब्रेट करता है। लोग कहते हैं काम तो ज़िंदगी भर कर सकते हो, पर मैं कहता हूँ अगर आज नहीं किया तो कल किसने देखा है। मैं पटाखे नहीं जला रहा आज, मैं अपने ड्रीम्स जला रहा हूँ, एक एक सेकंड मेहनत के फ्यूल से। ये दिवाली मेरे लिए अलग है क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ जब सब सेलिब्रेट कर रहे होते हैं मैं अपना फाउंडेशन बना रहा हूँ। कभी कभी लगता है सब छोड़ दूँ, घर लौट जाऊँ बस एक रात के लिए, पर फिर दिल के अंदर से आवाज़ आती है थोड़ा और रुक जा, थोड़ा और मेहनत कर ले। बड़ा बनना सिंपल नहीं है, बड़ा बनना लोनली है। कोई नहीं समझता, कोई नहीं अप्रिशिएट करता, पर यही तो जर्नी की ब्यूटी है। ज़िंदगी के हर कॉर्नर में एक टेस्ट है, एक टेस्ट ऑफ पेशेंस, एक टेस्ट ऑफ पर्पस और एक टेस्ट ऑफ परसिस्टेंस। मैं अपनी कहानी लिख रहा हूँ और हर लाइन में मेहनत का इंक है। यही तो लाइफ है ना, कभी तू हार जाता है, कभी जीत जाता है, पर हर बार तू कुछ सीखता है। घर दूर है पर सपने पास हैं, फैमिली दूर है पर ब्लेसिंग यहीं कहीं मेरे आसपास है। मैं मानता हूँ दिवाली घर पर अलग फील होती है, पर शायद ये डिस्टेंस भी एक चैप्टर है, एक चैप्टर जहाँ मैं खुद को समझ रहा हूँ, खुद को बिल्ड कर रहा हूँ। वर्क इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज ड्रीम्स डोंट वेट, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ डोंट नॉक ट्वाइस। मैं चाहता हूँ दुनिया के हर कोने में मेरा नाम चमके, जैसे आज दिया चमक रहा है। और वो दिन दूर नहीं। Maybe someday I'll become the best, the greatest, not because I was lucky, but because I was ready when the world was celebrating and I was working. तब तक ये रोशनी मेरे अंदर जलती रहेगी।
दिवाली दुबई की दिवाली।
एक और दिवाली दूर सही, पर इस बार भी मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी के पटाखे सपनों के आसमान में उड़ा रहा हूँ। Someday the world will celebrate me.
I had no idea I'm gonna enjoy this Diwali. What is going on there?
Move fast, man.
Okay, let's go.
It will be over by then.
Bombs. Whoa. How do you feel, Mr. Kishigan?
I started missing my home, man, even though it's not a festival also.
No, it's not. Every time when we are coming back, they're not bursting the firecrackers. Ah man, what the heck? We cannot have dinner also.
I just wanted to watch that firecracker.
Happy Diwali everyone! All the way from Dubai. On Diwali people go out with their girlfriends. I'm going out with this guy.
My boyfriend.
What the heck? What a bad luck I have. Man, I'm leaving right now. Such an amazing clothes we are wearing right now.
We don't even care about your clothes, you know, Dubai. It feels like now it's our hometown.
It's your hometown?
Yeah.
It's been how many years since? Oh my God. 2 years. What a better view than this. No one can afford this view today. Every place is full. After roaming around for another 1 hour, we found this place. This one freaking place. I think we are lucky, man.
Finally, after rejecting 6 or 5 dhaba, we finally found this one. The empty place.
Thank you. When you don't have manners, you should give me first.
Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, of course.
Happy Diwali.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali, sir. I totally forgot, man.
Where are your manners?
Enjoy your day.
That's it? Oh, no. I'm gonna have my rice roti.
It's not only
I
for me,
came
man.
so far from this rice, and you're giving me rice again. Take this, sir. Please, spicy one. This is our food. After roaming around here for 2 hours, we got this food. And surprisingly, the taste is amazing. Food, sir.
It was amazing, man. Amazing. I should say. No, I don't have a word to say. I think this is enough.
After roaming around for at least 1 hour, we found a place which was just 5 minutes close to us. And now
Now we're heading back.
we are heading back. Done with the dinner, done with Diwali, everything. This is lazy as fuck, guy. What the heck? Do it again, man. Do it again. And you know what? He says he's an introvert and camera shy. Would you like to say something about yourself?
No, I don't want to say anything. I'm introvert, but I can do everything.
Oh my god. I bet you done. Oh, whoa, whoa. You'll be famous, man. One day. For sure. Just because of me. You should say thanks to me.
More.
Green light. Oh, run. Yeah.
Run for your life. Man, seriously, man. Today I look cool, man.
It's just because of me. You're with a cool person.
See, man, look like a model of it.
You all Naga people are like this, right? Whenever you see camera, oh my god, I'm the model. I'm the best. But yeah, my hairs are looking so messy and you're looking clean. When was the last time you took shower?
If anyone's want a plot, just someone can contact me.
At least I don't have that.
All thanks to Dubai.
Exactly. If you come here, you're gonna lose one thing for sure, which is your hairs. It was such an unexpected day with this guy.
My boyfriend.
What the heck, man? Seriously, if I put it somewhere, then they're gonna.
This is
see
my
this.
boyfriend.
I came with the wrong person today. Nothing like that.
The fuck, man.
Come on, man. See, you look like a gay also.
Motherfucker, man. See, I look manly, man.
From where? Show your.
Whenever I see it. Come on, man. Just leave it.
Oh, bro. We didn't start the vlog, but we are ending this vlog with this.
From the beginning of the heart, we're ending this vlog right now. Right now.
Nobody understood what he said. Nobody.
I told you, no, man. Don't drag me in your video, man. Seriously, I don't want to be that.
I'm not
popular,
taking.
man.
Okay. I'm taking it on side. Anyways, I'm going to be very famous, so you are also going to be famous with
Yeah,
me.
once you got famous, then only you can take me, or else, and you can drag me into your camera, in your video, or else don't drag me, or don't take me as well in.
These kind of people, they don't want to do any kind of hard work. They just want fame, money. Bro, without hard work, how are you gonna get anything? My hairs are looking so messy, man. If I keep my camera up, then you just hides. You're just a small kid. But I'm looking so messy, man. Seriously. I'm not gonna put any vlog here. If they deduct my money, I'm gonna charge you.
Who told you to come and if you're not gonna use?
So I just came just to check. If
Fuck, man.
they deducted?
Yeah, 3.
Nothing from my.
Just using the washroom. Just using the washroom.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? I didn't. Nothing deducted from my.
Come on, man.
Yes. Nothing or deducted. How much was
What the
it?
fuck, man? There was 16, right? I had 16. Now it's 13.
Because you used it.
Ah, no.
I did not use anything. This is what happens. Dubai is so.
just to use washroom, I
Yes.
spent 3 dirhams. Oh my god, man! Just to hold my dick and pee, man.
it's around 70
What the
rupees.
fuck, man?
Around 70 rupees. This guy have no filter at all. No matter who's going behind us or from besides us, he speaks something bullshit. Say something. Ending.
सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे. जय हिंद.
घंटा किसी को कुछ समझ नहीं आया है. Thank you so much, sir, for coming in our vlog. Just because of you, this vlog became so entertaining, and I hope you will come again in our vlog.
Sure, man.
And I hope that we're gonna become very famous very soon.
Let's hope for the best, my man.
Yeah, hope for the best.
Let's hope for the best, homie. Nigga, matza.
This is it. Bye bye. See you.